Siple Samman, Sipko Samman. Over the last 6 years, Skill Week has been an inspiring journey.
Filled with inspiration, learning, and celebration of skills.
Starting with skill orientation, in over 200 plus schools and colleges, we have engaged with thousands of bright young minds.
Bridging the gap between today's business realities and tomorrow's opportunities.
To create employment, B, to retain the youth in this country.
Nepal has the dreams of a better world.
There is huge opportunity for education here in Nepal.
हामीले जबसम्म आन्तरिक रोजगारी सृजना गर्न सक्दैनौँ हामीले वैदेशिक रोजगारलाई चाहिँ त्यहाँबाट चाहिँ कहिले पनि विस्थापित गर्न सक्दैनौँ।
कहिले आउँछौ माया तिम्रो घरको बारदलीमा कुर्दै छु हेर्न तिमीलाई।
People who are in Nepal are doing amazing works. कर्मण्यवादी का रस्तेमा फलेषु कदाचन. Which means you do your work, don't worry about the fruits that it will lay.